everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be exploring the benefits of coffee for your skin. There are tons of benefits: skin whitening, brightening, clears, acne, everything. So we're going to be doing this amazing step. The first step is you'll need coffee and aloe vera gel, and you're going to be doing 1 tablespoon of coffee and 2 tablespoons of aloe vera gel. And then you're just going to mix it around. When you mix it around, you're just going to apply it to your face and massage it around. So you're going to leave this on for 2 minutes, and then after you leave it on, you're going to wash it off.